What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I got new fidgets. I'm just going to show the ones that I got. And I got this from Five Below. A lot of these I got from Five Below. I got this from Five Below. Okay, my new fidgets that I got. This amazing puppet. Both sides are amazing. And this dimple space puppet, or I mean dimple, is not a puppet. This is also amazing. Okay, I got this puppet. These mini puppets. I have one more mini puppet. No, 4 mini puppets.
Real quick.
And
She got 15 subscribers.
Who?
Woo! You.
Oh yeah, I have to jump in the pool. And I got, sorry about the interrupt, I got these finger things. I forgot what these things are called. I got a pea popper. I got a lot more snakes. I have one more, I feel like. Yeah. I have 3 snakes. No, I have 4 snakes. Yeah, 4 snakes. I have, wait, where's that? I got this. That's a tangled. What else did I just get? Oh, got my cousin. I think you saw that. I don't know. I got this bike chain for free. I got another bike chain. I've had this bike chain. I got this like unicorn thing. It's so fun. This is what just broke. My fidget spinner broke. I think I can fix it though. Maybe. I don't know how to fix fidget spinners. But yeah, where are my monkey noodles? I swear. Oh, I found one. I got ramen noodles. Well, noodles. I got this mini monkey noodle. This monkey noodle. And this monkey noodle. And then I'm trying to fix my fidget spinner because this fidget spinner was amazing. And I have no idea how it broke. Might be done. Okay, yeah, that's all I got. Oh wait, I got this. I think I showed you this. Yeah, and that's it. So I'm going to be jumping in the pool tomorrow. Oh, maybe not tomorrow. Maybe I don't know. Whenever I make a new video, that means I'm jumping in the pool. So yeah, I'm at 15. But my new thing, once I jump into the pool, my new thing is going to be, if I get 20 subscribers, then I have to put a bucket of ice and pour it on my head, and I have to get pied in the face. So get ready for that. Once I jump in the pool, which will probably be tomorrow, or maybe at my grandma's. I might film it at my grandma's. But the thing about my grandma, yeah, we're going to my grandma's to eat lunch today. Maybe at my grandma's, but the thing about my grandma's is she has the coldest pool because she has a screen around it, so it is freezing. So you better stay tuned for that because that's pretty much it. But make sure you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up and post notifications. Bye. Peace out. Woo.